Hey y'all, it's Julie the Nursing Tutor. I'm here for part 2 of drops per minute, although it's more than that, but here, come on, let's go, and I'll show you. All right, the medication order is to administer heparin 60 units per kilogram IV bolus for a patient weighing 209 pounds. Available is 10,000 units per milliliter. How many milliliters are you going to give? Right out of the gate, you got to convert that pounds to kilograms. And you're always going to divide by 2.2. Because a fat girl wants to hear her weight in kilograms. Look at this. 209 divided by 2.2, 95 kilograms. Wouldn't you rather hear that? I can say that because I'm a big girl. But, you know, there's way more to me than that. So 95 kilograms is how much they weigh. And what does this say? Heparin 60 units for 1 kilogram. And we got 95 of them. So we got to multiply 95 times 60 units. And then we're doing it. 95 times 60 equals 5,700 units for the bolus. So this is now the dose ordered. So what Mr. Man wants them to get is 5,700 units. What we have is 10,000 units. I'm writing it out because some instructors say write it out, and so I'm just trying to pacify her or him. I don't know. So this, we're going to do the math. This fraction says this divided by that, and then times whatever's right here, and it's 1 milliliter. So Ethel knows. So 5,700 divided by, count your zeros, 10, 1, 2, 3 equals. And you're going to give 0.57 milliliters. And that is the correct answer. We saved another one. Okay. I should have showed the rules, she said, but I'll show it on the next one. Okay, so this, number 7, the medication order. Infuse Neseritide, 0.02 micrograms per kilogram per minute. All right, you're okay. You're all right. Take a breath. Get a swallow of your beverage. It's going to be all right. Available, you got Neseritide, 1.5 milligrams, 250. Patient weighs 187. And how many milliliters you going to set your pump at? Out the gate, we got to convert them LBs to kgs. So 187 divided by 2.2 equals, look, straight up 85. I'm going to flip it around. 85 kilograms. Okay. Now, what did Mr. Man say? He wanted them to get that medicine 0.02 micrograms per kilogram. 0.02 micrograms. We're going to have to multiply that, and that's going to give us the micrograms per minute. Somewhere inside yourself, you got to make peace with it's going to take just about this whole page. But you can do it. You can do it. All right. So we're multiplying times 0.02, and that's going to be 1.7 micrograms per minute. But they want our answer as milliliters per hour. So we're going to multiply this number times 60, and that's going to tell us how many micrograms per hour. You can do it. So 1.7 times 60 equals 102. 102. I've been digging in the dirt anyway, my bad. Micrograms. So 102 micrograms per hour. This is our new dose ordered. So what we have is 1.5 milligrams, and this is micrograms. And you know, to go in that fraction, they got to have the same last name. So we're going to have to convert. And I'm going to convert micrograms to milligrams. And you remember you have K, G, G, mg, mcg. If I'm going micrograms to milligrams, I'm going this away. And so 102 micrograms, decimals understood to be at the back. And I'm going to go at 1, 2, 3. I'm moving it 3 places. I'm putting a 0 in front of it. So our new dose order, that 2 is not going to change that 0. And so our new dose order will be 0.1 milligrams. What we have is 1.5 milligrams. I'm going to show you what caused me to pause. 1.5 milligrams. How does that come in 250 milliliters? I'm going to work this again, but I'm going to convert all to micrograms and show you it's the same. So we're going this divided by that times 250. So get your calculator. 0.1 divided by 1.5 equals, don't look because you're not done. Just don't, because it's not going to make sense. But you're going to be all right. So it's going to equal 16.6 milliliters per hour, which will round up because pumps take whole numbers, 17 milliliters an hour. See that? Boom. It was a struggle, but we saved another one. Okay. So I want to come back to right here where we had figured out that it was 102 micrograms per hour. 102 micrograms per hour is what he wanted. And what we had, Lord, don't let me screw them up. Okay. What we had is 1.5 milligrams. If we, K, G, G, mg, mcg, if we wanted to get rid of all the decimals, that 1.5, we would go from milligrams to micrograms, which may be easier for some people is the reason why I'm doing this. And we're going to move it 3 places, 1, 2, 3. And so that would be 1,500 micrograms. So you could work it like this. Normally I would have, but I don't know what I was thinking. And then how does that come? It comes in 250 milliliters. So let's see what that works out. 102 divided by 1,500 equals times 250 equals. You see that? Yeah, 17. We saved him twice. My goodness.